Asana is my go-to tool for business and life. It seriously runs my whole life. So if you've been wondering how you can use this awesome tool for your personal life, you've come to the right place. Now, I talk a lot on my channel about how beneficial Asana is for your business, but today I wanted to let you in on how it can help with your personal life by giving you some examples. My specialty is helping you use and optimize the free version of Asana, so everything mentioned in this video and on my channel to date can be done using the free plan. You can really do so much with the free version. It's one of the reasons why I love Asana so much. The free plan goes so much further than any other tool that I've used. It's simple to use, but powerful enough to run your entire life. Before we get started, let me know in the comments if you're already using Asana for personal or if you're just using it for business. All right, let's get into it. The 5 ways that you can use Asana in your personal life. By the way, all of these ways that I'm about to go over for you, I have already created the templates for you, and they're available for purchase on my website. So instead of trying to create these from scratch or trying to take notes on this video and trying to figure out the best way to set it all up, you can just download the templates I've already created for you. Yay! So you can go to samanthacasbrick.com/personal to grab those now. Okay, so the first way that you can use Asana in your personal life is as a habit tracker. This is a really great way to stay on top of things you want to do or to create new habits. You can use Asana's recurring task feature in the calendar to accomplish a visual habit tracker. You can use colors to color code the different types of habits if you want to. And it provides a really great incentive to not break the chain and stick to your habits. The second way that you can use Asana in your personal life is for planning your vacations or any other kind of travel. So I like to keep a template of this one that I can just reuse whenever I am planning a new trip. So in this project, you can keep track of any information for your trip right within Asana. It makes it really easy for when you are arriving at the airport or at your hotel. You can just go into your Asana project and have all the information right there, your confirmation number, your flight numbers, all the information you need right at your fingertips. Instead of sifting through emails that you probably received months ago with the confirmation in there. You can just open up your Asana travel planning project and have the information in seconds. You can also use this project for your to-do list for anything that you need to get done before your trip, anything you need to look into or book. You can keep track of all the activities you want to do while you're on your vacation. And one of the best time savers of all is the packing list. Keep a template of your packing list within this project so that you don't have to recreate it every time. Seriously, what a game changer. I used to write out my packing lists from scratch every time, and you'd always forget something, right? So this time, if you did forget something, you just add it into the template to make sure you don't forget it next time. It's just incredible. All right, the next way you can use Asana in your personal life is to plan for Christmas. So you can keep track of relevant information, things like your budget, how much you've already spent, and all of your plans for the holidays. You can have a convenient list of all the things you need to prepare, like buying gifts and sending out Christmas cards. You can also have a gift list of all the people you want to buy gifts for, to make sure that you don't forget anyone, and also to keep track of who you've already purchased for and who you have left. And you can also keep track of your gift ideas that you have for these people in there as well. And here's a pro tip for you. I actually go into this project throughout the year and note any ideas that I have for people when they mention they want something or I think of something that they might want. It makes it so much easier to buy gifts when the time comes. Okay, the fourth way that you can use Asana in your personal life is to keep track of special occasions. So in this project, you have a place to keep track of all of your special occasions like holidays, anniversaries, birthdays, etc. You can set them up to remind you on the day of or a week before if you need to buy a gift. You can set reminders for whatever is helpful for you to prepare for that special occasion. And then of course, reminding you on the day of that it is that special occasion. And the fifth way you can use Asana for your personal life is something I just call personal general. This is the general area where really you just put whatever you want. Anything that doesn't belong in another project, or any one-off tasks or general recurring tasks. I like to recommend putting any appointment reminders in here or any personal information you want quick access to. For example, I use mine to keep track of my daughter's specialists. She has quite the list and it's easy to lose track of otherwise. I used to always have to Google phone numbers and try to remember the doctor's name. Now I have a centralized place to go to find the information that I need when I need it. It's also a great place to keep lists of things that you want to remember. So for example, I keep a hurricane prep to-do list because we're still pretty new to Nova Scotia and the whole hurricane thing. So I like to have that as a reminder of everything that we need to do leading up to a potential hurricane. And it's very helpful to have there when I need it. It's also a great place to keep any future tasks that you want to do but you don't want to forget about, or any future purchases you want to make for your home. These tend to add up, so if you can't get everything all the time whenever you want it, it's great to have that list to go to so you don't forget what's on your list of things that you need to buy for your home. All right, if you want to see how I use Asana as a habit tracker, I actually have a tutorial on that, so you can click this video to watch it next to see exactly how I set that up. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I hope this was helpful for you. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll see you next week. Bye.